Good day my friend, on this video I will show you how to remove the seat on the motorbike Daelim Daystar 125. Removing the seat is very easy and you will need to know how to do it if you want to fit some bags on the side or if you want to remove them as well. So we're gonna start by the back. You will see just right here behind, we're gonna use an Allen key number 5 and we're gonna remove that screw. Now that this has been removed, look between the two seats, right in the center here, we've got a bolt. We're gonna use a ratchet with a number 10 and we're gonna remove this. So this one and the other side as well. Now that everything has been removed, we just need to lift the seat from the back. And that's it. Now we have it. As you can see, it's very easy to remove it, okay? Now when you want to place it back, we see here we've got the suspension. We've got that hook here, this clips inside, so just make sure you place it nicely inside until it doesn't move, and then you can repeat the same operation but in reverse. So I hope that you have liked the video. Stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one soon. Take care.